Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Choice Watch 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Basically how strongly the watch vibrates when you receive the notification or alarm is going off and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get started. So we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, you can tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here at the bottom of the menu, you will see the vibration intensity. You can tap on it, and we have 3 levels of vibration intensity. We have none, so if you select this one, the watch will not vibrate at all, it will be turned off. Then we have standard and strong. I don't know if you can hear the difference, maybe if I press it to the table. So strong is a bit stronger than the standard one. Select the one you like, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.